How's it going, everyone? Adam here from Coding Basics, and welcome to tutorial number 6 in my Lambda Expressions in Java 8 series. This video, we are going over reduction. Quick introduction to reduction. Best way to go over this is actually referencing Java's documentation on it. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be reducing a stream. So we're going to take all the values in the pipeline, reduce them to a single value. So I guess just there's two things the reduce method takes. The first one is the identity. So this right here, which is the initial value. So in our case, we're going to be adding up all the numbers in the stream. So our initial value will be 0. And it's also what the default result is if there is no elements in the stream at that point. Next is the accumulator, which is a lambda expression. So it takes two parameters, A and B, adds them together. A is the partial result up to this point, so whatever the sum is up until now. And B is the next number in the stream. So you take the partial result, and then you add the next number, and you end up with a new partial result. You keep doing that until you've covered all the numbers in the stream. So let's actually get into some coding. I've already opened Eclipse, and inside our Lambda Expressions project, I've already created a new class called Reduction, imported an array list, created a new array list called nums, and the numbers in there are the numbers 1 through 5. So first, let's go over how we would have to do this in Java 6 or 7. Well, first, we would have to create an integer called total and set it equal to 0. Next, what we would have to do for int I colon nums, total plus equals nums, or sorry, not nums, I. Next, so actually before I say next, just look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 lines of code that takes. So now we're going to go on to how we do this in Java 8. So what we're going to do is create an int called total2. So that's equal to nums dot stream open close bracket dot reduce, and inside here, first we got to put our, as it highlights, you got to put your identity, which is 0 in our case, and then our accumulator. So let's just use the same variable as Java's documentation had, so A, comma, B. And then for the body of our lambda expression, we will just put A plus B, close the bracket off, and a semicolon. Alright, that is everything. So I guess what I'm going to do is print out, just to show you we get the same total. Print out, so the non-lambda way. And then we'll print out the total. And then we're going to do the exact same thing for our lambda approach to it, except for it'll be printing out total 2. Alright, let's run this. And there you go. You can see we get the exact same number, 15, as we should. Well, that's all I got for you guys this time. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to leave a comment on the video, like the video, and subscribe. Check out my channel. I'm trying to do as many possible tutorial series as I can this summer, and I'm sure many of them you would enjoy. So, I will see you next time.